Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be cutting my hair into some sort of a shape. I've never cut my hair this much or this drastic. I normally just like trim my ends off and call it a day, but I'm more so wanting more of like some volume. I don't necessarily care too much about length, but I do want some volume. Okay. Please excuse my nails because quarantine, what did you expect? So right now I just have my hair braided and then twisted up or whatever, just to kind of like keep it out of the way and kind of keep it stretched. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these braids down and we're gonna get started. I'm a beginner, I'm not a professional. I don't really know what I'm doing. I just watch a little bit of a YouTube videos here and there to see what I can get out of their videos and translate it onto my own type of hair. I have 4C natural hair. My hair has broken off a lot. It's not retaining much of its length, but like I said, I don't really care about the length. I just want more so like the volume. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So let's get started. Alright, so this is my hair texture after, well, this is the pattern it's giving after I took out the braids. As you can see, like my ends are trash, but there's some definition there. I'm gonna comb this out. It should be easy to do. So I've combed out my hair. This is all of the hair that came out when I was combing it out. I don't think I've ever seen my hair like picked out like this in a minute. This is how it looks. Oh, I'm gonna use Afro tease. So now that you've combed out your hair, or now that I've combed out my hair, I don't know if you're following along with me. I wouldn't suggest it. You can kind of get a feel for what the shape of your hair is looking like. I want more of like a heart shape, so I honestly don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna part my hair into 3 sections in the front, the back of my hair in 2. So I feel like the back of my hair is like too long for me to have the shape that I want, but I also don't want to cut the back of my hair too short because I do like putting my hair into like high buns and stuff like that. So all right, so I think it's quite obvious by now that you will need a comb of some sort or a pick. I'm using this comb to part off my hair, so my pick's not gonna be able to do that for me. At least I don't think it is. And then you're also going to need some shears, some scissors, some hair cutting scissors. Don't use any type of scissors for the obvious reasons. These are specific to your hair, so that way you don't break off your ends. And then you're going to need like maybe banana clips or hair clips or something like that, but I can't find them at the moment. So I'm gonna be using some scrunchies to tie off my sections. I did that. What? Alright, I think this is it. The fan is like making my hair shrink. I guess the humidity in the fan is making my hair shrink, which was making my hair become like harder to detangle. So this is the end result of my haircut on myself as a beginner. I think I did a really good job. This is like pretty much what I was going for. I wanted it more volume at the top and then shorter on the sides, kind of like this heart shape that I just thought. Let me give y'all a 360. Okay, don't mind this. Maybe I didn't do that great of a job. So this is all the hair that I was able to accumulate that I cut off. I'm sure somewhere in here there's a lot of, yep, there's a dead end. I see, well, not a dead end, pretty much. Split end, some knots. I just know that there's knots all up and through here. Yep, a knot, split ends. Ugh. This is the end result of me cutting my hair as a beginner, first timer. I don't have any license, no professional license, nothing to be cutting my hair right now, but I just know that my natural hair is going to thrive. I think what I'm about to go do right now is test out like maybe a twist out or a braid out. A braid out is giving more definition. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Like if you liked it, and leave a comment. Tell me if you think that I did good, what I could have did to do better. I think maybe the top, I'm gonna, yeah, probably gonna cut. I think that's better. Like I said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.